Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to discuss with you advanced questions in this video. Okay, so we are discussing the number system in that first concept. In that third concept, rational numbers. In that advanced questions we are discussing in this video. So in that 11th question we have which of the following are not false. Not false means true. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Yes, every positive rational number is greater than 0. Option 1 true. And option 2, every negative rational number is less than 0. Yes, every negative rational number is less than 0. And every rational number can be represented on the number line. We can represent any rational number, okay, on the number line. Yes, this is also true. For each rational number x, exactly one of the following are true. X less than 0 or x equal to 0, x greater than 0. So any one condition, any rational number can satisfy. So option 4 also correct. 11th question options 1. All options are correct. All options are correct for 11th question. 12th question. Which of the following is a rational number? 3 by 0. Can you first option 3 by 0 cannot define. So it is not a rational number. And next 0 by 3. 0 by 3 equal to 0. 0 by 3 equal to 0. It is a 0 is a rational number. 2 is also a rational number. Yes. And 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 also rational number. So option 2, 3, 4. So these three options are option 2, 3 and 4 correct options. Next 14th question you can see. Which of the following are multiplicative inverse of the integers lying between minus 4 and 2? What are the integers lying between minus 4 and 2? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. These 5 integers lying between minus 4 and 2. The question what he asked to us, which of the following are, okay, in the given, following are multiplicative inverse of, so these multiplicative integers, is there any option is there, we need to find. So multiplicative inverse of minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Yes, the product of any two rational numbers is equal to 1. Then it is each of the rational number is multiplicative inverse to the other. Yes, suppose 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, the product will gives 1. Yes, so then if the product of any two rational numbers is 1, so then each of the rational is, okay, multiplicative inverse to the other. 2 by 3 is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3, like that. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of minus 3 is minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 by 3, we will get 1. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So product is gives equal to 1. So here you remember. Multiplicative inverse of 0. 0 is 1 by 0. 0 by 1 is 1 by 0. So we cannot define. Multiplicative inverse of 0 cannot define. So it is undetermined. And multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 only. Okay, so sometimes he may ask, what are the integers have the multiplicative inverse itself? So they will have, we can say they in the options 1 9 minus 1 have the multiplicative inverse of themselves. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Okay, now I am going to discuss 13th question. So in the 13th question what they given, what number should be added to 7 by 12 to get 4 by 15 they asked. Okay, what number? So that number we don't know. That number is added to this number, then the resultant will give 4 by 15 they are asking. So now we don't know that rational number, that we can assume x. Let the required number be. Let the required number be x. Okay. So if you according to the condition, given condition, according to the given condition, what we need to write? X plus 7 by 12 equal to 4 by 15. Okay, so now this 7 by 12 transpose right side, so 4 by 15 minus 7 by 12. So LCM different, we are subtracting these two rational numbers, so find the LCM. Different denominators we have. LCM of 15 comma 12, so 3 table you can cancel. 3 5s are 3 4s are, so 3 into 5 into 4, so 15 4s are 60. LCM how much? 60 will get. 2 get 60 into 4 into 4. 16 by 60 minus into 5 into 5 minus 35 by 60, which is equal to, so minus 16 minus 35. 16 minus 35 by 60, which is equal to 16 minus 35 by 60 equal to minus 19 by 60. So this is the third question, 13th question answer. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you 15th question. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 into 5 by 7 equal to. So this we can write in the associative property. The product of any three rational number, if you change the grouping also, the product is same. This we can write as 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 7. I am grouping giving to the 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. Here the grouping here given 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. Yes. So this answer also we have. So that option also correct. And if you multiply, suppose, see 3 by 4, is there any cancellation? No cancellation. 3 5s are 15 and 2 4 2s are 8. 8 into 7, 56. So this option also is correct. So we can, according to associative property of rational numbers under multiplication, this is correct. And if you multiply, also this will, if you multiply means this will also will correct only will come. Okay. So next, coming to the 16th question, statement 1. Product of two or more rational numbers is equal to. So how we are multiply the rational numbers, two or more rational numbers? We should multiply the all numerators by, we should multiply the denominators. Yes. So product of numerators by product of denominators. Yes, statement 1 is true. And statement 2, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. Is there any cancellation? Yes, 2 cancel, 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 cancel. What is left over? 2. 2 into 1 into 1, 2. 1 into 1 in 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 2 by 5. So statement 2 also correct. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Option 1 is the correct option for this. 16th question, what is the correct option? Option 1. Next, 17th question. So this is, assertion is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 plus minus 9 by 8 equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 plus minus 9 by 8. So this is associative property of rational numbers under addition. So that is a plus b plus c equal to, we can write a plus b of plus c. If you are changing the grouping, if you change the grouping also, you will get same answer only. If you know that property without simplification, we can say it is the right option. Assertion is right. Reason, rational number are associative under addition. Says rational numbers are associative under addition. Yes, those are closed under addition. So reason is correct and assertion also correct. So both reason is correct explanation for the assertion. Next, 19th question. 18th question we can discuss next. 19th question. In every rational number, denominator should not be 0. In every rational number, denominator should not be 0. Not equal to 0. The denominator. Q not equal to 0 we will say now. That is, should not be equal to 0. The periodicity of 1.263. So 63 for 6 and 3 there is the bar. Under the bar how many digits we have? Periodicity is how much? Under the bar how many digits we have? 2 digits. So 2 is the periodicity of 1.263 bar. Okay. So now I am going to discuss with you 18th question. The match the following column 1 and column 2 we have. First we can simplify the column 1. So those answers we will get in the relative answers in the column 2. See, first So we have these are mixed fraction, convert them into the improper. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 into this 16 8 are 16 5 are 80, 80 plus 1, 81 minus 81 by 16. So 3 ones are 3, 27s are. So 60 is 4 4s are 4 5s are 5 into 27. So 5 35, 3 carry. So 5 2s are 10, 135 minus 1 plus into minus minus 135 by 4. So if you want to write in the mixed fraction, so we can write 33. So 4 3s are 12 and 1 5. 4 3s are 12, 3 by 4. So minus 33 by 33, 3 by 4 is the correct answer for this. Next, which is the option in that second option? For A, second. For your A, what is the correct answer? Second answer. B, minus. Now we can see B question. B have minus 3 by 4 into minus 2, 3 by 4. So this we can convert into the improper. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 minus 13 by 4 into 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 minus 11 by 4. So minus into minus plus 13 into 4, 143 by 16. So if you want to write in the mixed fraction, okay, that is equal to, or we can write 8 15 by 16. So if you want to write in the mixed fraction, we can write 8 15 by 16. Next, third sum, C, we have minus 6 1 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19, minus 19 by 3 divided by 17 2s are 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 by 17. So when we are dividing two rationals, we should do reciprocal. Minus 19 by 3 into 17 by 38. So is there any cancellation? 19 ones are 19 2s are. So which is minus 17 by 3 2s are 6. If you want to write in the mixed fraction, so that is 2 minus 2 5 by 6 minus 2 5 by 6. Okay, so option C, option correct answer is 4. Your option B is related to 1. Okay, fourth one. So 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 6 13, minus 13 by 7 divided by minus 7. So when we are dividing two rationals, we should do reciprocal for the denominator. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by, reciprocal of minus 7 is minus 1 by 7. So minus into minus plus 13 by 7 into 7 49. So 13 by 49 is the option. So D is the, what is the correct option? D for third one. So among the, which is first option 1, you can check. A is 2, yes. B is 1, C is 4, D is 3. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, in this video I discussed with you advanced questions. Okay, if you have not watched the previous videos, and you can watch the videos and share the videos to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.